Welcome to website building challenge day 12. We've already built a free website in the sites.google.com. Now we are going to make a next page, another page into the website. For that purpose, we have to go to the page section. In the one side you can see a page section. Click over there. There is a round. Then name the new page. Then publish it. Now we can go to computer. Angelina, please show how to make a new page in the google.com. Please show it.
Yes, sir. So, sir, here is our website in site.google.com. Yeah, so this is the website, and here we can see a tab named pages, and here we have a plus option. We just have to click that, and we have to name the new page whatever we want, and we can just publish it. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Angelina.